I bought this booster box today, and we are going to be opening it. So I'm going to open it right now.
Well,
Yeah, please.
Lucario V. Let's see.
Let's see if we get anything good.
Yeah, it does said. What's it say on the back, Archie?
And there's 1 of 3 chances you will get a V. You will get one of a V Snorlax, a V Lucario, a V
Mew.
Mew.
Yeah. Oh no, it says a V Lucario, Galarian Slowbro V, or a Mew V.
Oh,
And there's 4 packets in here.
okay. So let's open
Right.
it. There.
Oh, so you do get your card.
There's a Lucario.
It's, I don't think we've ever done that, have we? We'll have to go onto Pokemon to do that. Don't put the code on because people will use it. Man, you were going to use
Use
it
this
in a bit
code.
anyway.
Use this code.
Right.
Okay, we'll show the packs
Oh,
out.
it's alright, you can open it. So you've got Sword and Shield.
Voltage.
Yeah, we've got him.
Vivid Voltage.
That's Celestial or something
Yeah,
like that.
Pokemon Go.
Oh,
Sword and Shield.
Scissor.
Breakpoint.
Can't remember what that one's called.
A Sword and Shield.
Show them all.
Sword and Shield.
I'm recording on my phone, so I can't even get my Pokemon Go up.
1 Breakpoint.
I don't even know what
2
that one is.
Vivid Voltage. And then, so you can have them 2.
So what's this one?
Lucario
Yeah,
V.
excuse me, hands are dirty. I've just been doing the garden.
Okay, so you'll be open these 2 Vivid Voltage packs, and I'll be opening the Breakpoint and the Sword and Shield. So let's start. Which one do you want? I'm gonna open mine first, and then you can do it. Okay. Use that code if you want to. Okay, get 3 from the back, and it in the front. Okay, Trainer.
You've got to read them out. So we've got Misty's Determination, Professor Sycamore, oh, Gyarados Spirit Link,
Trainer.
Trainer card, Skorupi,
Sure.
Petil, Rattata, Numel, Electrobuzz, oh, Shiny, Ferrothorn,
And last one.
Hypno.
Okay.
That's still going to be the favourite one.
Okay.
My opening one.
Yeah.
So what do I have to do? Open it and take 3 from the back.
Yeah, show them the code card.
Right. You don't want to use that, no?
No.
Oh, sorry. 3 from the back. 1, 2, 3. And then put them like that.
Yeah.
Right. Oh, Ferrothorn. We've just got that in a shiny.
It's not shiny.
No, we've not got the shiny. So we've got Ferrothorn. Gogoat. Trainer Carolis. Code, if you want to use it. Skidor.
It's a green and white card.
Eevee.
It's a green and white card.
Trubbish. Shoopit. Tootle. Oh, Shiny Magcargo.
It's a lump.
And a Dusk Noir.
It's a hollow.
It's a
Hollow
hollow one.
Dusk Gunnar.
I've got an energy card.
Energy card.
On your turn. And I still don't know how to play this game, you know. You had something special in there then.
No.
You think they were having it?
I know what it is. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. I don't know. Okay.
There was something special in there then.
Okay. A Pokemon. What is it?
Pokemon Catcher.
Trainer.
Drizzle. Trainer Evolution Incense. Galarian Meowth. Scarbunny. Sinistea. I never even heard of that one.
Because of the new ones.
Maractus. Pikachu.
Shiny.
Galarian Zigagoon and
VMAX! Look!
Wow, a VMAX Lapras. Is that
Whoa!
new?
Whoa! A VMAX. Whoa! I never got a VMAX before.
No, I'll keep that one then.
Yeah, that's my favourite one.
And an energy card.
Your
This the
turn?
last one.
Yeah, last pack. Oh yeah, this should be in the good selection. Shiny. Look, Jan.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Right, so that's it.
Oh, it's a green and white card. Was that a green and white card? Yeah, it was.
Right, so we've got Moo Moo Cheese. Trainer. Sableye.
Oh, I've got one in Pokemon Go.
Gavantula. Aerocuda. Seedot. Panape. Shoopet. Puccina. Oh, something special under there. Can you see edges?
Yeah.
Oh.
Just do it.
No, I'm going to put that at the back.
Okay.
Alright. Is that at the back now? Yep. We've got a
Hollow
Hollow Weaver. Ivy actually just corrected me. I never said shiny. An energy card. And then whatever this is at the bottom, we don't know yet. Are you ready?
I see.
What is it?
A V!
A VMAX Ampharos.
Whoa.
However it is. Wow. Some good cards in there.
Oh,
so
yeah.
what we got? So we've got Hollow. Well, look at it. We should have tidied all these up.
Hello. Hello.
They're shiny cards, all them.
Got a V. V. There. Shiny. A VMAX. A V Lucario. And that's.
What else have we got? There were some other shinies. The shinies or hollows, I don't know.
Oh, the hollows. Dad.
The hollows are to be corrected. Right, there we go then.
Bye guys. See you next video. See you later.